Hello students, we already learned on creating series. Now let us try to access the series index and value. Index is the numeric value displayed with respective data. If we did not pass any index, by default, Python will assign the index ranging from 0 to length of the data minus 1. Otherwise, you mention your own index for the data as required. Here we have the series of days from Monday till Friday. We did not specify any index here. So by default, the index ranging from 0 till 5 minus 1 will be assigned. As here you can see the index is from 0 till 4 because there are 5 days. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So Monday till Friday are 5 days, but the index you can see it is from 0 till 4. As you can see, the series result show two columns. Here the left column contains the index and the right column contains data. Here 0 till 4 are the index. So now let us try to access the index of this series. Here we have the series names as days. So if we want to access directly the index, then you can do it like this. So here now let me run the program. Here you can see the output is coming as range index. Start is equal to 0, stop is 5 because we have 5 days, and then step is equal to 1. Therefore the output is coming from 0 till 4 because 5 minus 1 is 4. Here we have 5 days. So 0 till 4 means 5 numbers of days. Now that we got the range index, let us try to print the values of this series. We can do that by specifying the series name dot values. So now let us run the program. Here you can see we are getting the values of that series in the form of a list. So we are getting the series from Monday till Friday, which are the values for our series. Here you can see the difference. When we print the series, it is printing in two columns. But when we print the values, like shown here in line number 9, we are getting the values in the form of a list. We have created a series using a list here. We have the values from Monday till Friday. Now let us try to access particular index position value for any element or any value from this list of series. For example, printing the elements at third place in a list. So here we have to specify the index position. So here we are trying to print the values according to a particular index position. Here we want to print for the third place in series. So the index here is 2. The name of series is days and the index is 2. 2 because it starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2. The third position is 2. So here we have the day is Wednesday. So the elements at third place in series is Wednesday. Wednesday being in the third position. Here you can see it is not Thursday but it is Wednesday. In the index 3 is Thursday, but we don't want the index 3, we want the third place. So third place means index 2. Here you can see Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So from this list you can see the elements in the third position is Wednesday. My dear students, keep in mind that the left columns of the series contains the index, and Pandas created a default index and automatically assigned to the series starting with 0 going to the length of the data minus 1. So here let us take another example. Suppose we want to access the element at second place. So the elements at second place in this series is Tuesday, because 0 and 1, that means the first position and second position, but we want to access only the elements at second place or second position, which is Tuesday. You can see in this output here, it is displaying Tuesday being the elements at second place. Now let us print the elements at first place. Now you can think about the index. So here the elements at first place, then the series name, and the index is, it is not 1, what is it? It is 0, because at first place the index is 0. So here you can see it is Monday. Monday is at first place in the series. As you can see here, the index for Monday is 0. So my dear students, that is how we can access the elements of a series, that is by using index. But now what if you want to print, for example, the first 3 elements? So here let me show to you. First, we need to slice by index number to retrieve the values. So here we did not mention the starting index, but we have mentioned the stopping index. So here the stopping index is 3. So by default, that means it is starting from 0. So 0, 1 and 2. So 3 elements. So to print the first 3 elements, you can follow this codes here in line number 13. So let me just add few more words here. This is to print the first 3 elements from the given series. So that's all about accessing series, index and values. We shall meet again in the next video.